Today I want to talk about sound and the importance of sound design, and I thought it would make for a really fun audio engineering experiment to try and recreate my favorite audio and sound effects from Peter Mckinnon's sound effects pack. That's right, we're doing it. Since Peter Mckinnon made all of these sound effects just from the noises from his mouth, I thought it would only be appropriate for us to also do the same thing, take the same route. So today, all of the sound effects you'll be hearing will be coming from my mouth. So to illustrate the effects of even just the simplest sound design, take a look at this list. Now check the same list with a little bit of sound design. Now the pops for each item should give that extra bit of emphasis for each item, which also gives your audience that extra bit of sensory information, which helps retain your audience attention to whatever it is you're explaining. Now the following sound effects are what I use for whip pans and zooms. Hey, I'm thinking of releasing these sound effects as a sound pack, so hit subscribe to stay updated for that release. I enjoyed making that one. The biggest thing I had to do for that one was just I had to overload this sound effect with reverb, and lots of reverb. And I think this one is really good for setting up epic scenes or giving your transitions that extra punch. So yeah, just a quick video for today. I just wanted to demonstrate some quick sound design. If you like that video, hit that like button. If you're not already, please subscribe. I'll see you next time. Have a good one.